Hello and welcome back to the channel. Now in our garden we get tons of birds and we get a lot of wood pigeons as well. What the wood pigeons leave behind? Huge piles of poo, bird poo. So they leave it all over the kids' swing, slides, trampoline, it's everywhere. So it's not ideal when you've got kids. I think it can cause diseases and stuff. So my solution is these anti-climb spikes. Now I bought them from Amazon, so I'll leave a link down below to where you can get them from. They weren't that expensive. They're called the Cactus. You want to see that? So they're made of plastic. They're all plastic spikes, but they are very sharp. So if you see on the back, you can either have them as a row of 3, or you can split them and have them as thin strips of singles. So if you look over here, I've already put them on top of the fences to try and deter the cats from coming over, and also if there's anyone wanting to burgle, it stops them climbing as well. So I've done all the straight fences, but we've also got arch top fences. So because they're plastic, they're very flexible, so they'll go over arch fences as well. Right, so I've already prepared them. I haven't secured them on yet, all apart from this one. So they are really easy to cut. You could probably do it with a little hacksaw, but I find it just as easy to use a Stanley knife, utility knife, whatever you want to call it. So I've marked where I need to cut it. So careful with a knife. Just score through it. You bend it, and then you can just cut through it. Really easy to cut. So it comes with pre-drilled screw holes or nail holes. You can nail it or screw it. I always prefer to screw things rather than nail things. I just find that it's a more secure fix. So I'll get up there and I'll fix them on. So as you can see, I had a bit of fun with this one, cutting it round the nuts. So all you got to do is shove the screws in. I'm just using 1-inch wood screws here. So it's not ideal on a kid's climbing frame, but I'll tell the kids to be careful not to hurt their hands on it. But it's better that than everything getting covered in poo. And typical, when you're making a video, your battery always dies on you. And as you can see, this is on a round pole, and because it's in 3 sections, it's bending to the shape of the pole. Yeah, so I was a little bit disappointed that they didn't supply fixings with these, but you can't expect everything, can you? Right, that's the swing done. Now for the trampoline. So as you can see, the birds also poo on the trampoline. So as you can see, it's disgusting. Who wants the kids jumping up and down on that? So what my plan is to put these round the top and then to cable tie them on. Now I'll just have to warn the kids again not to grab the top of the trampoline because it will hurt their fingers, but it's better that than having a trampoline that they can't use because of all that. So I'm hoping that I can cable tie it onto the top of there and it stays in place even with the kids bouncing on it. I suppose there's only one way to find out. Okay, so this works because we've got a rectangular trampoline. I don't know whether it would work with a round trampoline. If you try it, let me know and see how you get on. And I'll put the cable tie the wrong way. Right, I'm hoping that's tight enough to stay in place. If you've got any better suggestions though how I can attach this, put them in the comments section below. Yeah, I'm hoping this works, but I'm not sure on this, but it definitely works on the fences and on the swings. And now I can just neaten them off with some side cutters. I won't film myself going all the way around, you get the idea. Right, so hopefully that will keep the pigeons from pooing on all the kids' stuff and keep the cats off the fences, and because it's plastic it should last a long time. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.